All right, Gary, tell me something about your name.
Well, this is very interesting. My name is Gary Owen, and there is a pub or a hotel in Sydney that is called Gary Owen. So I've often wondered whether my father named me after the pub.
Gary, I am curious to know. I know there's two R's in Gary. Usually it's one. So I'm curious to know why two R's.
I'm glad you bring that up because it's probably the Australian or the English spelling. It's in a lot of cases in the US, I get one R, but the Australian or English spelling, I think, has two R's. Mine does
Ah.
anyhow.
Tell me more about kind of like, having to, I guess, maybe translate coming from Australia into the United States and, some of those cultural differences when it comes to your name.
Well, there's a lot of cultural differences, even though Australia and the US share the same language. We have words that are quite different, and having, I could drop some words into a conversation that would confuse you, and you would think I was speaking Spanish or Italian. But let's take a walk down to the Rubbity Dub and have a couple of ales.